Good morning everyone. So today our topic is line spectrum of hydrogen. Okay. So in previous class we have completed atomic spectrum, that is emission spectra, absorption spectra, line spectra. These all things we already discussed in previous class. Okay. So now today in this class we will discuss about line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Okay. So generally when atoms, here I am taking one atom, okay, when we supply energy nothing but electricity or heat, whatever it may be, when we supply energy to atoms, the electron present inside the atom observe that energy and go to higher energy level. Okay, so this is a ground state energy level. This is a excited state energy levels. This is first excited state, second excited state, this is third excited state. Okay, so when we supply electricity to atom, the electrons present inside the atom absorb energy and it will go to higher energy level. Okay, so at higher energy level electron have more energy. Okay, so any substance in the universe which has more energy, that possesses less stability. That's why these excited electron again try to come back to its original position. Okay, so at higher energy level electron have more energy and it unstable. That's why electron come back to its original position. While coming back to original position, what happened? Whatever the energy it has observed in the process of excitation, this is a excitation process. Okay, so whatever the energy it has observed in the process of excitation, the same amount of energy released in the form of radiation or light. Okay, released in the form of radiation or light. Okay, so this released radiation can be recorded as spectrum. You will get the lines on a dark background. This is called what? Emission spectrum. You will get thin lines. On a dark background. This is called as emission spectrum. Okay, so here the electron jumps from ground state to higher energy level is called excitation, and the electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, nothing but de-excitation. Okay, the electron jumps from ground state energy level to excited state energy levels, that is the higher energy levels. That process is known as excitation, and the electron when come back to excited state energy level, that means higher energy level to ground state energy level, that process is known as de-excitation. Okay, de-excitation. Okay, during the process of de-excitation of electron, it releases radiation. This radiation can be recorded as spectrum. You will get emission spectrum. Okay, so here one more important point is there. The jumping of electron from one energy level to another energy level is nothing but transitions. Okay, the jumping of electron from one energy level to another energy level is known as transitions. transitions. Okay, electron transition simply. Okay, jumping of electron from one energy level to another energy level is known as transitions. Okay, so now let us discuss about line spectra of hydrogen atom. Okay, so the line spectra of hydrogen atom, first of all they took hydrogen gas in a glass tube. They took hydrogen gas H2 gas in a glass tube. Okay, this is a glass tube. Okay, so they supply, next one, they supply electricity to these H2 gas. They supply electricity to this H2 gas. When we supply electricity to H2 gas, the H2 molecules dissociate into hydrogen atoms. Okay, so H2 molecules break into hydrogen atoms. Okay, so in this hydrogen atom one electron is present in this. For example, this is a nucleus of hydrogen. This is the first shell, this is second shell, this is third shell, this is fourth shell of hydrogen. Okay, so where electron located in hydrogen atom? So electron is located in first orbit in hydrogen atom. This is a first orbit or first shell. This is a second shell, this is third, fourth shell. Okay, when we supply electricity to H2 gas, this electron, here one electron is present. Electron is located in first orbit in hydrogen atom. Okay, when you supply electricity to H2 gas, this electron absorbs energy in the form of electricity and it may jump to any energy level. Okay, it may jump to any energy level. Okay, so electron can jump to first energy level or second energy level or third energy level, or like that it can jump to infinity energy levels. Okay, so when electron jump to higher energy level, is it stay for long time at a higher energy level? No, it has to come back to its original position. While coming back to its original position, what will happen? The radiation gets emitted outside. Okay, so while coming back to its original position, electron releases radiation. Okay, electron emits radiation. Okay, so the radiations gets emitted outside. Okay, these radiations when you record as a spectra, you will find series of lines. Okay, you will find series of lines like this. Okay, this is first series, this is second series, this is third series, like this you will get. Okay, so like that series of lines form. Okay, this spectrum is called hydrogen line spectrum. This spectrum is called hydrogen line spectrum. So next one, why these different lines are formed? It's because when electron is coming back to its original position, this is emitting radiation, but different kind of radiations will get emitted. That's why different series of lines you will get. Okay, so next one, why it will emit different types of radiations. Okay, so why it will emit different types of radiations? Okay, I will try to explain this one. Okay, so okay, understanding purpose, here I am taking hydrogen atom. This is a nucleus, this is a first shell of hydrogen atom, this is a second shell, this is a third shell, this is a fourth shell, this is the fifth shell, so on. So this is the infinity shell, okay. So this is a first shell, second shell, third, fourth, fifth, this is a infinity shell, okay. So when we supply energy or electricity to hydrogen atom, the electron present in hydrogen atom absorbs radiation and go to higher energy level, okay. This electron absorb energy and go to higher energy level, okay. Electron may go to second energy level or third energy level or fourth energy level, okay. So in a particular amount of gas, many hydrogen atoms are there, okay. In some hydrogen atoms, electron will jump to second energy level on observing radiation, okay. Electron may jump into third energy level in some atoms. In some of the atoms, electron will jump to fourth energy level. Likewise, it can also jump infinity level, okay. That is depends on atom and energy, okay. So next one, electrons are jump different energy levels in different hydrogen atoms, okay, but it cannot stay longer time at higher energy level because of stability, okay. So electron again try to come back to its original position. While come back to original position, it releases or it emits radiation. That emitted radiation, when you record a spectra, you will get lines of hydrogen spectrum, okay. In the hydrogen atom, different de-excitations are possible, okay. Different de-excitations are possible. De-excitation of electron means, de-excitation nothing but the process of changing from a excited state to an ground state by releasing radiation, okay. Simply jumping of electron from higher energy level to lower energy level, okay. Jumping of electron from higher energy level to lower energy level, that is a ground state energy level, okay. So in hydrogen spectrum, different de-excitations are possible. First possibility, okay. If the transition of electron, transition means jumping of electrons, okay. If the transition of electron takes place from any higher orbit to any higher orbit means shells, any higher orbit to the first energy level, okay. So these all are higher energy orbits, okay. This is a first energy level, this is second energy level, third, fourth, fifth, so on. So this is a infinity energy level, okay. If the transition of electron takes place from higher energy orbit to the first energy level orbit, okay, higher energy level to first energy level, we get a series of the lines in hydrogen spectrum. You will get a series of lines. That series of lines is known as Lyman series, Okay, we get a Lyman series of the hydrogen atom. Okay, it is obtained in the ultraviolet region. Okay, this series of lines belongs to ultraviolet region. Okay, Lyman series or Lyman spectrum belongs to UV region, ultraviolet region. Okay, when will you get Lyman series of lines in hydrogen spectrum? Electron will jumps from any higher energy level to first energy level. Any higher energy level to first energy level. Okay, you will get this series of lines is known as Lyman series. Okay, while the electron jumps from any higher energy level to first energy level, it will releases energy. That radiation is in the form of UV region. Okay, while the electron jumps from any higher energy level to first energy level, these electrons releases or emitted radiation. This radiation belongs to ultraviolet region. Okay, this is a first series. Okay, Lyman series. Second possibility. Okay, you know very well, in hydrogen spectrum different d excitations are possible. Okay, not always electron transition from higher energy to first cell. Sometimes electron will go to second energy level also. Okay, sometimes electron will go to second energy level instead of first energy level. Okay, so second d excitation possibility is if the transition of electron takes place from any higher orbit to the second energy level, you will get a Balmer series of hydrogen atom. Okay, if the transition of electrons takes place from any higher orbit to the first energy level, you will get Lyman series. This is a Lyman series. These series of lines are known as Lyman series. Okay, this belongs to UV region of radiation. Okay, so next one, if the transition of electron takes place from any higher orbit to the second energy level, you will get Balmer series of hydrogen atom. When will you get Balmer series of lines? When electron jumps from any higher orbit to second energy level orbit. Any higher orbit to second energy level orbit, you will get during the de-excitation of electron, some radiation is emitted. This radiation, when you record a spectra, you get a lines. That lines is called Balmer series. Okay, Balmer series. Okay, these series of lines belongs to visible region. Okay, this radiation is equal to visible radiation. Okay, so next third one, third de-excitation possibility. Okay, so if the transition of electron takes place from any higher energy level to third energy level, any higher energy level or higher orbit to energy level to third energy level. You will get a series of lines. That series of lines is known as Paschen series. Okay, these series of lines belongs to Paschen series. Okay, when electrons jumps from any higher energy level to the third energy level, like this is a third energy level. Electron jumps from any higher energy level to third energy level. It emits radiation. Okay, so that emitted radiation, when you record a spectra, you get a lines. Okay, you get a series of lines. That series of lines is known as Paschen series. Okay, this radiation is belongs to IR radiation. Okay, these Paschen series of lines is obtained in the IR region. Okay, so next one, third type, fourth possibility. If the transition of electrons takes place from any higher orbit to the fourth orbit. Okay, if the transition of electron takes place from any higher orbit to the fourth energy level. Okay, any higher energy level to the fourth energy level. Okay, you will get series of lines. Okay, that is any higher energy to fourth energy level. Okay, during the process of de-excitation, that means during the jumping of higher energy to fourth energy level, some energy is releases in the form of radiation. Okay, this radiation, when you record a spectra, you will get a lines. Okay, these lines or these series of lines is known as Branchet series. Okay, Branchet series radiation also equal to the or belongs to the IR radiation. Okay, so next one, if the transition of electron takes place from any higher orbit to the fifth energy level. Okay, you will get a series of lines. Okay, any higher energy level to the fifth energy level. Okay, you will get a series of lines. These lines are known as found series. Okay, so any higher energy level to fifth energy level. Okay, this is called Fund series. Okay, so because of different de-excitations in hydrogen line spectrum, you will get Balmer series, Lyman series, Paschen series, Branchet series and Fund series. Okay, so next one, energy level diagram of hydrogen spectrum. This is the energy level diagram of hydrogen spectrum. Okay, so you know very well, in hydrogen spectrum 5 types of series of lines is possible. One is Lyman series, second one is Balmer series, third one is Paschen series, fourth one is Branchet series and Fund series. Okay, so this is a energy. Okay, this is a higher energy, this is a lower energy. Okay, so this is a Lyman series of lines. This is a Lyman series. Lyman series is belong to UV light. Okay, this is a Balmer series. Okay, here. Okay, this is a Lyman series. When will we get Lyman series? Okay, if the transition of electron takes place from any higher orbit to the lower orbit. Okay, any higher orbit to the first energy level orbit, you will get Lyman series. Okay, if the transition of electron takes place from any higher energy level to first energy level, you will get Lyman series of spectrum. Okay, so next one, if the transition of electron takes place from any higher energy level to the second energy level, you will get Balmer series of spectrum. So next one, if the transition of electron takes place from any higher energy level to third energy level, you will get Paschen series, and any higher energy level to third energy level, you will get Brankett, and any higher energy level to fifth energy level, you will get Fund series. Okay, the energy gaps between first energy level and second energy level is more. The energy difference between first energy level and second energy level is more, okay, compared to remaining orbitals. Okay, this is the hydrogen spectrum. So next one more important point is there. The visible series or visible lines of hydrogen spectrum obeys the following formula, that is mu bar equal to wave number equal to 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square centimeter inverse. Okay, so the visible region of lines of the hydrogen spectrum obeys this formula. Okay, where n is an integer, that is equal to or greater than 3. So that is n equal to 3, 4, 5, so on so. Okay, so next one, here the value of 109677 centimeter inverse is called Rydberg constant. Okay, so next one, the scientist Rydberg give one common expression for all spectral lines. Okay, the scientist Rydberg give one mathematical expression for all spectral lines, that is wave number equal to 1 by lambda, that equal to 109677 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square centimeter inverse. Okay, so where n1 is nothing but lower energy, that is 1, 2, 3, so on so. Okay, n2 is nothing but higher energy, that means that is nothing but n1 plus 1, n1 plus 2, so on so. Okay, so here 109677 centimeter inverse called Rydberg constant. Okay, this expression is applicable all spectral lines. Okay, but this expression is only applicable for Lyman series of lines. Okay, so next one, understanding purpose, I will give different series of spectral lines in hydrogen emission spectrum. Okay, this is our table. Okay, first column is name of the series, second one is N1 value, third column is N2 value, fourth column spectral lines, and last column equation for wave number. Okay, so you know very well, in line spectra of hydrogen you will get 5 types of spectral lines. Okay, one is Lyman series, second one is Balmer series, third one is Paschen series, fourth one is Branchet series, and last one is Fund series. Okay, for Lyman series, okay, so this is a Lyman series. For Lyman series, N1 value, okay, N1 is nothing but lowest energy. So for Lyman series, this is the lowest energy, so N1 value is 1. Okay, so next one, N2 for Lyman series. Okay, N2 nothing but higher energy. Okay, so this is a higher energy, this is also higher energy, this is also higher energy. Okay, so N2 for Lyman series is 2, 3, 4, so on so. Okay, so next one, spectral lines. These lines of radiations belongs to these lines. These series of lines belongs to UV radiation. These spectral lines belongs to UV radiation. Next one, equation for wave number. Mu bar equal to R into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Okay, here 1 square nothing but N1 square. So here N1 value is 1. So next one, Balmer series. For Balmer series, N1 value is 2. Okay, this is a Balmer series. This is a lowest energy level of Balmer series. Okay, so N1 value 2. N2 value, N2 nothing but higher energy levels, 3, 4, 5, so on so, 3, 4, 5. Okay, spectral lines. These lines are belongs to visible radiation. This is a wave number for Balmer series. Okay, 1 by 2 square minus 1 by N2 square. So next one, Paschen series. Okay, N1 value 3. Okay, lowest energy level is 3. Okay, next highest energy level 4, 5, 6, so on so. Spectral lines belongs to IR. This is the equation for wave number. Next one, Branchet series. N1 value 4. Okay, this is a Branchet series. Lowest energy level is 4. Okay, so highest energy level 5, 6, 7, so on so. The spectral lines belongs to or equal to IR frequency radiation. Okay, so wave number, this is a wave number for Branchet series. Next one, last one, Fund series. Okay, so N1 value for Fund series is 5, N2 value 6, 7, 8, so on so, and spectral lines also belongs to IR radiation. This is a wave number for Fund series. Okay, so this information about line spectra of hydrogen.